Hello everybody and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a spotlight on the euro. Now I want to start with EuroCAD, which is currently my favorite, and what we can see here that on the way up we were in an upward momentum, pull back into the averages, try to go higher, couldn't push higher, and push to a lower low, consolidated slightly around this area, lower high, broke it, and lower low. Then we consolidated above this area of 1.45. We can see quite a significant area in the past, so a strong level of support and resistance, broke through it and traded lower. Now if we'll take a look quickly on the weekly, we can see that the next major significant level of support and resistance sits around the 1.42.5, so we still have a little bit way to go to reach there, but this is a very important level. Now going back into the daily, we can see that we stopped around this area, but this is a rather busy area, so we could see a bit of a potential pull back, really some of this strong selling pressure, and potentially for price action to meet up with its averages. Now drawing the Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low has the 61.8% retracement clustering very nicely with this level around the 1.4220. So what I'm looking for is a pullback to test this level from below and a continuation of this move, keeping in mind that this 1.4250 area is a very strong support resistance level. Now a quick look at the monthly, and we can see that this level could potentially even turn into a higher low in this monthly move. The next market is euro versus the pound. Now this is a less of my favorite and I'm keeping an eye on it, but there's a couple of elements here that potentially would keep me on the sidelines. So the daily is rather the same. We are in a downtrend and we were consolidating above this 0.8660 area, broke below it, and now we're in the process of pulling back. Now the Fibonacci retracement from the latest high to the low and the 61.8% retracement is clustering rather closely with that level. But if we'll zoom out a bit and look at the area that we come into, and actually moving to the weekly, we'll see that more clearly. We can see that we're coming into a very strong level of support and resistance, and also the origin of the move that pushed to a high and then another higher high. And what we've done, we actually stopped just shy of that area, so we haven't pinged that low. So potentially in the big picture we are still looking like a higher low here. So this element could keep me out of a potential short opportunity on higher time frame, maybe some reaction to this level on lower time frame. So I'm keeping an eye on this market as well. Now if we'll see the euro strengthening, then my favorite for a bullish move on the euro would be euro kiwi. So on the way down here on the daily chart, we can see we had a touch at this 1.7840 area, went lower and then lower low. So there were a lot of sellers sitting at this area. Then strong push all the way from the lower low to test that level from below, another precise touch. So what I'm looking for from this market is a compressions of price underneath this level and a potential momentum breakout. Taking a look at the higher time frame, and the weekly is in an uptrend. We pull back into the averages, into the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, and we're currently potentially looking to continue higher. On the monthly chart, slightly different. We're still in an uptrend, but we can see that rejection that we had here over in the high. We pull back into the averages, and this level, the 1.7840, is looking like a strong resistance for this market. We still have a touch on that level as well. So I'm looking for signs that the buyers are coming back into the market and trying to compress underneath that level and potentially break and continue higher. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.